Hi, for number 5 in the math unit for big ideas, it asks the students to answer the question using associative property. So I'm going to go over a problem that resembles what unit 4 number 5 looks like. So here you have 5 times 20, and to write this as associative property, you're going to look for the two numbers that when you multiply make 20. So it can be 2 times 10. Now I can write it out as 5 times 2 times 10. Now the way that I would use associative property is I would put parentheses. So now I can multiply 5 times 2 rather than 5 times 20. And I know that that's 10. And then I can multiply 10 times 10 and I'll get the answer 100. Okay, I'm going to do one more just to help out. So it's 3 times, let's say it's 18. And they don't know how to multiply 3 times 18. So think of two numbers that when you multiply them, they make 18. That would be 3 times 6. So now you can write it as 3 times 3 times 6. 3 times 3 times 6. And the associative property comes in when you include multiplications and you isolate it, right? So you have 3 times 3 is 9 times 6. Now you can answer the question. The problem. 9 times 6 is 54. And so there you go. There's your answer. I hope this helps. Thank you. Bye.